describe my work in a few words? That's a good question. I would say stylistically promiscuous with a hint of dark humor. My name is Stephen Bird. I live on unceded traditional lands of the Bundjalung Nation in the far north east of New South Wales. I was born in Stoke-on-Trent in England. Art is full of dichotomies where different practices are split apart as if they're foreign to one another. I don't need inspiration to make artwork, you know. I mean, things inspire me in life, but when I go into the studio and try to block all that inspiration out, I mean, things creep in. You know, you have this kind of perfect vision of what you want to do, and then the external world creeps in. That's not inspiration, is it? Yeah, the title is Looping States of Mind, Circular Thoughts. I mean, when I make the sculpture, it's almost like creating a whole family of figures, and when they get split up, you know, it's painful, you know. Sometimes losing a plate is like losing an eye. I've always really liked that Staffordshire tradition, you know, what you might call the end of the days when factory workers would stay behind after their shift and make things to commemorate the birth of children or betrothals or weddings or deaths. That just carried on, you know, carried on making plates for people that I thought deserved to have a memorial in ceramic.
People are strange.